Hey guys, Justin here of YugaTech, and Samsung has just brought in one of their latest devices, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite here in the Philippines. Considered as a budget version of the flagship Note 10 series, the Note 10 Lite still actually shares a couple of aspects with the standard model, including the screen size and triple rear camera setup. Let's check it out! The Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes in three colors: Aura Red, Aura Glow, and Aura Black. Out of the three, the Aura Glow is still the most eye-catching one, just as it was last year, in my opinion at least. Since it's the budget version of the series, we don't get real glass construction. Instead, we get Samsung's famed glass stick, which we usually see in the mid-range A-series phones. But with the metal frame holding it all together, it feels quite premium and robust when held. Up front, we get a sizable 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution. Just like its Note 10 and Note 10 Plus brethren, it comes with an Infinity O panel, which in simpler terms means it has a 32-megapixel punch-hole front camera on the top center of the display. That's coupled with slim bezels all around, so you might not even be able to tell the difference against the standard model. At the back, we get a square-shaped camera module consisting of a 12-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel telephoto. The LED flash is inside the module as well. On the right side, we get a volume rocker and a power button. If you have smaller hands, reaching the buttons one-handed may be a challenge, given the massive size of the phone. The buttons are nice and clicky and tactile though. Over on the left, we get a hybrid dual SIM tray. The micro SD slot can accommodate up to a 1TB card. The bottom of the device is the busiest part, housing a headphone jack, USB Type-C port, main microphone, loudspeaker, and the S Pen. The Bluetooth-enabled S Pen is largely the same in terms of core functionality as the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, which is very nice. Under the hood, the Note 10 Lite gets an Exynos 9810 chipset, the same one on the S9 and Note 9, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. For software, we get One UI 2 based on Android 10. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is priced at 29,990 pesos and will be available in stores in the Philippines starting February 14. Now, what do you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and I'll see you soon!